What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So today we're going to unbox this new toy that his aunt got him for Christmas. So this is the VTech Count and Win Sports Center. So this has like features for basketball and also soccer. So this is for 12 months to 36 months. So it's perfect for our little son. So let's unbox this and then set this up for him. So here are all the parts, and so we have to install this ourselves. There's an instruction manual here. So the balls already come with. There's a little soccer and the basketball. So let me go set this up real quick. So first thing you have to install this too. The goalie you have to install into underneath here. Alright, next thing you need to do is to put the yellow pieces onto the side here. So the one with the indentation goes on the bottom. Like so. And then you put the feet on the bottom. Alright, next thing you need to do is to put the net behind the goal here. So it'll be like this. After you put the net in the back, you have to screw it in with provided screws. They are the Phillips screws. Insert a scoreboard inside this thing. Now there's a big screw in the back. You need to pull it out so you can insert like so. And so after you have put the scoreboard on, you need to put the net onto the scoreboard. Okay, once that's in, you have to insert all the little trophies. The balls goes down here. And the trophy goes to on the other side. And don't forget about the stickers.
Just hold on.
Be really careful about taking off the label. Because it's really easy to get them tear up. Alright, after everything is being installed, you have to put in the battery. You can either use a coin or a flathead. Alright, so for this, you need 3 AA battery. The battery are not included, so you have to provide for yourself. Alright, so after you have used the battery, here we go.
It's great day to play some sports. Grab your friends and start a game. Work together, play as a team. Yeah, go team! Whee! Time to work and get ready to play. Woohoo! One, woohoo! Two.
So it has sensor. Every time the ball goes through, it will keep track the score. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the VTech Count and Win Sports Center. This is quite unique. I mean, I really like the feature they have with the basketball goal on the top and then soccer on the bottom. Now they also have ball holders on the back. When you don't want to play, you can just put it in the back and it's just a holder. Now this goal can be raised up and down. So there's a nut in the back where you push in to turn counterclockwise to raise this goal up and down. So there's only 2 settings. Currently it's on the high setting, so just kind of really depending on how high your kid is. Now, so this toy is good for kids 12 to 36 months old. So just keep that in mind. There are 3 volumes. One is off, obviously, and then there's low and high volume. So what it does is like it play music. Now this thing can count score when you throw the basketball inside the hoop. It has a little sensor here, so it can go all the way to 10. It's quite fun to play with your kid. And there's also a soccer ball. It will make some noise once you kick it to the goalie. And so yeah, there's 3 buttons on top where you can press. So some of the things that you need to be careful of is when you take out the stickers, just be careful when you're peeling them because as you can see from the video, I kind of torn this one. If you want to use the media center up top, it does require 3 AA batteries. You have to install them yourself. It doesn't come with the toy itself. And you also need to have a Phillips head screwdriver to install some of the screws for this toy. Alright, so that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Until then, bye!